So I was out looking for some firewood. Actually, I was bringing firewood back, and I stumbled across these, which I believe to be morels, because they're hollow. All of them are hollow, and I cut them off the stem and left the base. The problem is, I don't think they're false, but I can't eat them because I'm not 100% sure. I mean, everything that I've read and seen about morels, it matches the description, the pattern on them, the fact that they're hollow completely through. And I actually have some butter with me, so I could actually boil these up, you know, do a boil, you know, and then cook them up in my snow peak kettle. But I'm not 100% sure, so I'm gonna have to hold off. Better be safe than sorry. I'm sure everyone's gonna say, "Oh yeah, those are totally morels," which then, you know, it's feast on. But damn, I wish I'd known. I wish I knew firsthand. But yeah, I found all these just getting firewood just right off to, well, if you're looking at the screen, off to the right. I actually knocked one over with my big ass foot, and I looked down and I got all excited. I shouldn't have cut them down because I got overly excited, and I'm like, morels! And I started cutting and harvesting. I should have left them right in the ground, but there are more over there. But man, that's a good find if they're actually what I think they are. You know, those of you who know are probably yelling at the screen or commenting below, yeah, there's a totally morel. But I'm not 100%, so if I'm not 100%, I can't eat them. Damn. Hopefully they'll hold up till tomorrow, and I'll take them home and put them on the internet, see what people think. And then if they are what I think they are, it's soup's on. I'll throw them in some ramen or something, or I'll taste them straight first. Maybe I'll taste half. They kind of break apart real easy. So I don't know. Damn, wish I'd known. Wish I had somebody out here who could tell me, but I can't think of anybody who's around who could tell you, yeah, those are morels. Dig in. So we'll see what happens. Alright, thanks for watching.